So today we're gonna continue with Python for this program with if and switch. You remember we don't have switch in Python, so today we only gonna focus in if option. Let's type this one challenge one Python. I create. So here Python, we create our new file. And here we are the configuration Python. We select the name you want, then you select the script you want to run. Okay, and let's try it first. Okay, it's working. So now let's start. So we want the option, the number. So let's write here. Please select an option. Then option 1 addition. Division, multiplication, subtraction. Then we need to put this option in an input, and then we need print. Okay, what is that for here? We don't need semicolon. Then we have missing space around operator. Okay, then we want the user to type the numbers, right? Correct. So type a number, then we need number 1 equal to input, then we want the same for num2, and then we need the if. Okay, so if we have here, we'll need parentheses here, it option is equal to 1, then we have result equal to num1 plus num2, elif option equal to and we have subtraction, and let's copy this and let's paste it, option 3, option 4, and don't forget indentation here. You need to put like this, because everything that is on the right, like here, belong to this if, and this one belong to this if, and this and this and this. 4 3 2. Then here we need multiplication, and here we need division. Okay, so here it is thinking that this is a string,